What you got, Kyle?
After a couple hours on it.
A caterpillar? Can you say caterpillar? Say caterpillar.
Yeah, like 4 to 6.
Where are you going with him? Where? Put him on the fence.
4, 6, and 8.
Easy.
You can rent a unit out.
What is it? A caterpillar? Be easy with him. You're crushing. You gotta be. Yeah.
By the time that
Yeah.
I pay that off, that's straight money. To me, this is free money, but this is money that the government is, I mean, they're taking anyway.
What's Grandma say? What's Mommy say? What's Mommy say?
What's Mommy say? I love you. What's
Easy.
Grandma say?
You dropped him. Poor little caterpillar. Easy, easy. You're squeezing him. Easy. Yeah, easy. Here, go put him on the rocks. Go put him on the rocks so he can crawl away. Go put him on the rocks. There you go. There he is. Say bye-bye, caterpillar. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Caterpillar. Easy. Easy with him. Be easy with him. What is it? Oh, you gonna put him there? Yeah. Easy, easy. Don't squish him. There he is. What is it? Yeah. You got a caterpillar? Poor caterpillar, he's gonna die. You're squeezing him. Careful. There he is. Say bye-bye, caterpillars. Alright, come on. You gonna leave him there? Here, let Aunt Cherry put him on the fence. Let me put him on the fence. Say bye-bye, caterpillar. Say bye-bye, caterpillar. No, let's put him on the fence.